Hey guys, how's it going? How to delete Google Pay history transaction. So make sure that you updated the app in your Google Play. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to my browser, and if you want to delete your activity or data from your Google account, go to myactivity.google.com. It spells how it is, and then if you haven't already, sign in your account, and then find the date of the activity. Under the activity that you want to delete, tap details, and on this page you can delete the activity you'll no longer want. So basically, transaction info, payment methods, and gift cards, you can delete that as well. All right. Basically, as we said before, go to the activity in the saved items included, and basically you can delete the information regards your transaction history. Let's put on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.